Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and do well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you water art decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Today I will show you a very beautiful and easy type watercraft decoration ideas. First, take empty glass bottle, clean them properly and dry them. Now take glass color or paints, draw simple design like flower, leaves or butterfly. You can also draw anything you like. After drawing, let the paint dry completely. Be careful and don't touch the design. Now take fairy lights, put the lights inside the bottle slowly. Close the bottle with the cork or cap. And friends, friends, when you turn on the lights, your bottle will glow beautifully. You can see this look so pretty and colorful, perfect for room decoration, night lights, night light or gift. And viewers, so friends, you can also try different ideas. Use different bottle shapes, add glitters, use soft pastel colors, make a full set like this. And dear friends, and this die is very easy and no cost. Anyone can make it at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, friends, and Allah Hafiz.